afternoon. This is Raymond Felton, and this is the Raymond Felton Report. And I'm out here, ladies and gentlemen, braving this cold weather just for you today. It is about 20 degrees out here right now, and the snow is finally coming to Elizabeth City. We've been getting ice all night long, as you will be able to see. I want to tell everybody to make sure that you cut your faucets on and let your water run so your pipes don't bust.
This will really be bad.
This has been a message from the Raymond Felton Report. And I just want to tell everybody, peace.